I'm Vikki Schipper, an Associate Lecturer in the Open University Law School. Collaboration forms part of the Open University Law degree. It can be defined quite simply as working with others to produce an outcome. And collaboration falls in all different parts of the law degree. It can be part of tutor group forums, taking part in discussions there, getting involved with tutorials, debates and discussions related to those. It might even be getting involved in law school mooting or collaborative assessments that you will face later in the degree. The key with being successful at collaboration is understanding yourself and where your strengths and weaknesses lie. Every collaborative project, every group needs different roles to be performed. Some of those are leadership, some of them are perhaps cajoling others to perform, some of them are just getting the job done, so people who are good at working, good at performing. Recognising your strengths in that respect and being able to articulate them to a group and to take on that role is going to be really key to success of group work. The other thing is also recognising the limitations that go with this. So how much time do you have available to collaborate? Again, sharing those limitations will make the group stronger as a whole because the group will be able to function better as a unit. The other thing to think about with collaboration is this is a really good opportunity to expand your skills, to push your boundaries, to perhaps step out of your comfort zone. Use these sorts of opportunities to try something that you've not done before and to see if you can improve and enhance your skills to develop your own success at collaboration, but also through your degree.